Welcome back to my channel. This video is one of the first videos on the series of Mundane Astrology. So if I do some mistakes, please forgive me. So this would be the first research I'd be sharing in my channel. This is on earthquake, okay? And this is totally based on Mundane Astrology, okay? So I've done some research. I'll predict first and then I don't know if my prediction goes right, then I might try to explain. Okay, so I hope you guys are fine with this, and if my prediction goes wrong, you may forgive me. So, by God's grace, in my channel, whatever I have predicted somewhat came true by God's grace only. It's not my quality, it's only God's will. Okay, as you know that when I predicted about the victory of Joe Biden and many other things, but time will tell. And this particular video is just a prediction video, and this will be not on the entire research. If my prediction comes true, because this is my first research on mundane astrology, and I'm sharing this with you because you guys are my friends here. Okay, and I have promised that I'll share some videos on mundane astrology as well. So here goes the first one. My prediction is that between this 16th of December to 30th of December, on this month only, I am expecting an earthquake, okay, and a massive one, maybe one of the biggest in 2020, okay. And I have written down some name of some countries actually, and the area. So if you have the world map handy with you, you can go ahead and look what kind of areas I am trying to mention over here. So basically I've written some names like Ethiopia, Saudi Arabia. If you see your world map, you will find some Middle East countries and some East African countries on that particular area. So hope you are fine with it. You open your Google map and you open your world map and check what kind of area I am referring to. It's like Middle East and East African countries. And one more, if you want me to say that within Asian countries, I think Indonesia, Philippines, Papua New Guinea, on that area, and you can say a part of Australia as well. So in that particular area, you can draw a line, and whatever I have said, what the country names I have already mentioned: Ethiopia, Saudi Arabia. You check the Middle East and East African countries, and here in Asia you check Indonesia, Philippines, Papua New Guinea, and draw a line, some part of Australia as well. So you may witness a devastating earthquake in these areas within 16th to 30th of December. This is as per mundane astrology, as per my research. I'm not saying that this would be 100% correct. Whatever I say in my channel, if I say that okay, this formula is 100% correct, and I'll openly challenge it. Okay, I'll openly challenge anyone if he or she tries to oppose on that area, because I also want to learn, right? If I make some mistakes, so you need to tell me, right? But this is my first research, so I may go wrong. I'm repeating myself. I may go wrong, but this is as per mundane astrology, and the axis of the total solar eclipse, I have pinpointed these countries, okay. And we all know that 14 December we had this solar eclipse, right? The second solar eclipse of 2020. So I think these areas would be affected, and people make videos on there is a Surya Grahan or solar eclipse or lunar eclipse, and you need to be very careful, this and that, but it's totally vague. I do not think it has any kind of big effects on human lives, but Yes, geographically, if we talk about mundane astrology, it has its effect for sure. Okay, so I have the uh, data, used by scientists of NASA, and there are many books like Brihad Jatika of Varahamihida. Okay, this particular thing has been mentioned over there. Okay, and this is according to mundane astrology. Whatever I have calculated, I have said. I may go wrong. This is the first prediction I am making on mundane astrology. Okay, it's not on anyone's horoscope or anything yearly or monthly, nothing. It's just purely mundane astrology. So the countries I have mentioned, please have a look. Okay, and if it happens, then you will all know that whether the prediction is correct or not. So I may go wrong, again I'm saying, but again I'm repeating the names of those countries: Ethiopia, Saudi Arabia, Middle East and East African countries. Within Asian countries, it is Indonesia, Philippines, Papua New Guinea, a bit of, a part of Australia, part of Hawaii may get affected. Okay, and if you draw a line, you will see that which area I'm referring to. Okay, so in my channel, I'll be publishing more videos on mundane astrology as well as my research techniques, and a few of the questions which came and I didn't answer. Maybe I'll try to answer them in future. Right now, there's a series of prediction going on in my channel regarding 2021 yearly predictions, and which is based on ascendant. After that, I'll finish on moon signs. Then I'll come up with many new rules. Okay, like as I said, birth month of spouse. You can say it was completely my research, and marriage timing, and childbirth. So childbirth I haven't published yet, so I'll be publishing very soon. And there will be a very interesting series on profession. Okay, and stay tuned for that. So I'll be dividing the videos, like what kind of combination gives what kind of profession. So that will be very interesting, and many more things like profession of spouse, etc. Okay, and few interesting techniques on Saturn, how to judge the special aspects of Saturn, Mars, as well as Jupiter, okay, and Rahu and Ketu. So I'll discuss these things, okay, but I need some time, okay, so I'm running out of time here. Please do subscribe to my channel if you want to learn astrology, and if you want to do good for people. And I always say this, if you are my viewer, if you are watching this video, do not pay a single penny to astrologers. Do not waste your money. Do your spiritual sadhana, and all planets will be good to you. So that is the motive of my channel. Okay, do not be fooled. Okay, just try to do your own research. Try to learn techniques. Do not be afraid. Okay, okay, okay. Saturn Sarasati. So I'll be gone. No, it's not like that. Many more things, many more videos would be coming in my channel. Stay tuned. Take care. Goodbye.